In this video, we will learn switch case. Switch case can be used as a substitute to multiple if-else. If there are too many conditions to be checked in your program, and if you go for multiple if-else, your code becomes complex. To avoid code complexity, switch case is a good option. Syntax for switch case: switch keyword, open the parenthesis, close the parenthesis, and you need to write the expression. This expression is further matched with the case values. Open the curly bracket, close the curly bracket. Curly bracket defines the scope of the switch case. Inside the switch block, you need to mention case keyword followed with a value to be checked with the expression, colon, write the statements to be executed. Break keyword is used to come out of the block. So you can have multiple case values. Wherever the expression matches, that particular case is executed. There is default statement. If none of the cases are matched, then default case execute. Let us understand this with the help of a program. In this program, we are accepting day number from the user and display the corresponding day. For example, if user enters 1, program displays Monday. If user enters 2, program displays Tuesday. Like this, we need to check 7 conditions for 7 days plus one more condition if the day number is invalid. So let us start the execution. Import java.util.scanner. We are importing java.util.scanner because we are using scanner object in our class. We have defined a class named switchDemo. We have defined the main method. Execution starts from here. First statement we have defined is variable declaration. We have declared a variable named day of type int. Memory will be allocated for the variable day inside stack. Memory is allocated. I have not hard-coded the value. We are accepting the value from the user. Next statement, system.out.println, enter day number will be printed to the output screen so that the user understands what is he supposed to do. We are creating object of class scanner. Scanner object is used to accept input from the user. When this statement executes, reference variable s is created on the stack and actual object is created on the heap. Scanner object accepts an argument system.in. System.in connects to the keyboard, that is the standard input stream, so that program can read user entered value through keyboard. Next statement, day equal to s.nextInt. NextInt is the method belonging to scanner class and it will read an integer input entered by the user. NextInt belongs to scanner class, hence we are calling it using object s. Now suppose user enters value 3. This 3 user entered integer value is stored in int variable day. So day will be assigned value 3 entered by the user. Next we have declared one more variable, day name of type string. Memory allocation for day name will happen inside the stack. Memory is assigned to variable day name, yet we have not assigned any value to it. Now starts the switch block, switch keyword, and inside the parenthesis we have written day. So whatever expression you have written inside these parentheses should match with the case values. For example, the value assigned to variable day is 3, hence value 3 will be matched with the case values and control of the program will go to the case where the value is 3. The switch expression value is checked with the multiple case values. Wherever it finds the match, the code inside that particular block is executed. It will check with the first case. Here the value is 1. So 3 is not equal to 1. The case value is not matching. Hence, the code written for case 1 will not execute. Next, it will check case 2. Switch expression value is 3 and case value is 2. 2 is not equal to 3. The case values are not matching. That is why the code written for case 2 will not execute. Next, it will check case 3. The switch expression value is 3 and case value is also 3. 3 equal to 3. Here the case value is matching with the switch expression. Hence, code inside case 3 will execute. So what code are we writing? We are assigning a string Wednesday to the string variable day name. So inside the memory, day name will be assigned to value Wednesday and the next statement is break. Break is the keyword that takes the control out of the block. So further cases will not be checked and the control of the program will come out of the switch block. This is the opening curly bracket of the switch block. and this is the closing curly bracket of the switch block. Here the switch block ends. Control will come to the next statement. That is, from here, control will come to the next statement, and this statement system.out.println day name will execute. What is day name? Wednesday. So your output will be enter day number, user enters 3, and the output is Wednesday. This is how switch case executes. Now the points to remember are duplicate case values are not allowed. For example, if I am writing case 1, I cannot write case 1 again in the same switch block. Second point, the value of the case must be of the same data type as the variable in the switch. For example, variable in the switch is of type int. Case values should also be of type int. I cannot have string over here or any other data type. What is the use of break keyword? Now what happens if you don't write break statement? Once it finds the matching case, all the code inside all the case blocks is executed until a break or the end of the statement is reached. For example, my case 3 is executed if I don't have break in my code. The next case also executes. If next case also doesn't have break, further cases are executed until it finds a break statement or end of the statement is reached. Now what is the use of default case? For example, user enters value 10. Now we have days from 1 to 7. Hence we have written case numbers from 1 to 7 and the matching days. So 10 is not a valid day. In such a situation, when no case match is found, default statement executes. And what if there is no default statement? If there is no default statement and no case match is found, none of the statements in the switch body gets executed and the control of the program goes to the next statement after switch block. There can be only one default case in your switch block. So this is how switch case default executes.